All right, so this is a suggestion via a donation. The name of the video is Seagulls, Stop It Now, a bad lip reading of The Empire Strikes Back. All right, I don't know if this is a song or not, so let's see where this takes us. It'll basically decide where it goes, on which channel it goes. But all right, let's check it out.
Penny for your thoughts.
I hate Brenda, and a bad guy hit me in the shin, and I peed all on my pants.
It's nothing a little music can't help.
Okay.
Rockin', rockin' and rollin'. Down to the beach I'm strolling. But the seagulls poke at my head, not fun. I said, seagulls, stop it now. Everyone told me not to stroll on that beach.
Guys, keep in mind, all right, that I just watched Star Wars for the very first time. We started it on the original one, 1977, and then we literally just watched Empire Strikes Back, 3 days ago? I think we released it on Monday. Guys, like, so if you guys do want to see that, it's on the movie channel. It's on the movie reaction channel, Logical Movie Reviews with Mr. L. Boyd. All right. I think it's the video right before last that we posted over there. But listen, so I'm just kind of understanding what's like really happening here now, guys. And this is going to be interesting, right? Firstly, I don't really understand Yoda like that, bro, right? If Obi-Wan could have taught Luke, why did Obi-Wan not teach Luke? All right. But all right, we'll be getting in. Don't worry. This is just the second, Star Wars movie that we've seen ever in life, so I'm sure that'll be explained later on. But either way, let's continue.
Said seagulls gonna come, poke me in the coconut, and they did,
right?
And they did, have me going like, nothing I could do but yell when these birds attack me. When I tried to run, I fell, and then these kids start laughing. And then got hit in the neck with a hacky sack.
Right.
Where'd it come from? Now run. I can be a backpack while you run. And stop, put me down. I love to groove and boogie. Yeah.
Great.
Show you some dance moves.
No, I don't want you to.
If I had your giant feet out there on the beach, could have outrun those birds.
You're psycho wiener.
Let me grab my beater.
Stop it, please. Please.
Guys, listen, that his cane that he is beating against that trash can thing, right? I love it, guys. It sounds good, honestly.
Please.
The level of creativity to put something like this together is wild.
Come on, man, quit that banging.
Hey, what's that stank?
You put a fish in our basket.
Oh, yeah. I forgot I did that.
Right.
You owe me an apology.
Just hold your breath and see when the time is right. Birds will back your face. Now run. I can be a backpack
Bro,
while you
Yoda is obsessed
swing
with the
from
birds,
a hairy
guys.
vine. I can be a backpack while you climb. Stand on one hand and lift. Rocks with your special gift. Run, jump, now breathe. That's good. Like that. One day I was walking in the...
Bro, he sounds super creepy, bro. All right? He does. He sounds incredibly creepy in this.
Found a stick.
I mean, honestly, he sounds incredibly creepy in the movie, too, though. I mean, I personally wouldn't sit down and want to have a lengthy conversation with this being.
Log. Then I rolled the log over. Underneath was a tiny little stick. And I was like, that log had a child. Listen, boy, someday when you are older, you could get hit by a boulder while you're lying there screaming, come
Oh my.
Stop it now.
Guys, I have a brother-in-law that loves Star Wars.
Yeah, whatever. You're sort of pitchy.
What?
Didn't like it?
Listen, man, I'm not your friend.
Don't fall asleep.
Right.
Fall asleep.
I mean, obviously, don't fall asleep. That's just start right there, right? It honestly feels like they're saying all of these things. I think this is like either the second or third like bad lip reading video we've encountered, and they've just been all like spectacular. This one very specifically is amazing because again, I just saw Empire Strikes Back for the first time within the last week. Now, don't get me wrong, I love science fiction. This Star Wars is not science fiction, though. It doesn't feel like it's based on anything. It feels more science fantasy, as pretty much as a lot of people are also saying, right? But either way, listen, we're definitely going to continue watching these movies, and hopefully, I see that there are a couple more, right? But I'm guessing these are at different times, maybe. I don't know, but yeah, listen, you guys all have an absolutely amazing day and enjoy your day thoroughly.